Keep your eye on that building, it'll be coming down soon.
I don't want to be here when it does. Building is about to blow up. Moving back.
Ja, je ziet het. De onderste verdiepingen gaan eerst.
Ja, en de rest zakt er gewoon in. Dus dit is controlled demolition.
Zeker weten.
Zeker weten. Er is nagesprongen. Dit is in opdracht gebeurd. Dit heeft een team gedaan van experts.
Maar dit is ook op 11 september gebeurd.
Dezelfde dag?
Dezelfde dag.
Dezelfde dag? Weet je dat zeker?
Ja.
Was het zeker weten de 11e? Dat kan geen waar zijn.
7 uur nadat de World Trade Center naar beneden viel.
Ja? Hebben ze hard gewerkt.
All of a sudden, a loud, incredibly loud explosion, and it was just an incredibly frightening scene.
The gas, the screams, people immediately turning and starting to run. And I turned in time to see what looked like a skyscraper implosion. Looked like it had been done by a demolition crew. The whole thing just collapsing down on itself.
You hear this collapse, sounds like thunder. So you could see a shockwave go up, the windows blast out, came down floor by floor. Structure stayed intact until it all hit the ground.
Amazing, incredible, pick your word. For the third time today,